Hey, what's going on, traders? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions, and in this video, due to a question that I've been getting of like, hey Ricky, I've been struggling to find stocks to trade every single day. The question comes out and it's like, do you need to trade every single day, especially as a beginner trader? I want you guys to know that this is going to be my opinion based on my experience, not only in my trading, but we do manage the largest group out there for those who are just getting started in trading in the stock market. We have over 200,000 people within our private free Facebook group. That's that first link in the description. And I think that this is something that a lot of people experience as they're just getting started. It's the excitement behind trading. So yes, it is very exciting to be able to take positions every single day, but I know a lot of new traders, almost, I would say 90% of people fall under the category of being under the PDT rule. So you have 3 opportunities to make the most out of those 3 day trades, meaning that you can buy and sell a stock all within the same day. You don't have to day trade again, but I wanted to share 3 reasons on why I think that you should be a little bit more selective with what you choose to trade. And we have this saying within like Learn, Plan, Profit and TechBot Solutions. We even have it on t-shirts and on mugs on the TechBot Apparel website. And it's, trade less, profit more. And I'm going to share my 3 reasons on why I think that's so valuable. So the first reason is as of right now for today, I saw that DGAS pushed up about 8%. Which became super overbought, but it became so overextended that it has not moved much. And let me show you exactly what I mean. So this is the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform. It pushed up to pretty much highs of already $96 before the market even opened, and it's kind of just been trading around this area. So it became super overbought. So I like to focus on 3 things: patterns, direction, and making sure that the opportunity cost, meaning the margin of profit, is worth it. And I went live today, just like I do every single morning, with the Learn, Plan, Profit group. And we did amazing breakdowns. We talked about a lot of stocks that we saw value in for this up and coming week, but not ones that we saw value in right now. And again, it's the understanding that you don't need to trade every single day, because greater opportunities can present themselves in the near future. And if you're patient, right, and you have those 3 day trades open, how many times have you guys have ever been in a position where you want to take a position because you see this amazing opportunity present itself, but you cannot because you ran out of day trades? I've been there, and I've done that when I was under the $25,000 balance. I don't necessarily have to worry about that anymore, but I have to remind myself that, again, we don't want to overtrade, because then it gets us right back to that position where sometimes we might feel discouraged to take advantage of that opportunity. And it's maybe because the 3 day trades that you took before that one opportunity that really was actually worth it, were not the best. So now you have, some form of kind of just like, you're just scared, right, to take that position, and that opportunity is well worth it, but because you ran out of day trades, now you don't even have that option. So the second thing that I wanted to talk about is, I think it for those that do discipline themselves and add that structure in their trading, as in they minimize the amount of positions that they take per day or per week, it adds structure. So it's like a balance, right? Those people that are more disciplined tend to just be a little bit more well-rounded. So if you're someone that tries to trade every single day, that forcefully overtrades, and that takes advantage of any opportunity that is not necessarily worth it, then it ends up biting you in the butt, because that lack of structure when it comes down to trading is also probably something that will resemble a lack of structure when it comes down to cutting losses, or when it comes down to making sure that you only take advantages of opportunities that are worth it. So I think that the less that you trade, the more structure it adds, so you're more selective with what opportunities you choose to take advantage of, because that's what they should be viewed as, opportunities. And which opportunity this week out of, for those that fall under that PDT rule, are the best, right? Which ones make the most sense to you, and which ones are worth waiting for. That's the difficult part. It's, anyone can trade and enter and exit a position, but it's those that are selective that wait for those proper entry points and exit points, and wait for those little golden nuggets that are really worth it, can make, that are a little bit more efficient. So this goes to my third point. being a little bit more selective, right, with what you choose to trade or what you choose to invest in. I think, again, we give this example all the time of if you're someone that buys and sells an iPhone, and you usually like to buy the iPhones for $300 and sell them for $500 because the margin of profit is worth it. $200 margin, that's huge. Now, when it comes down to buying an iPhone for $495 to sell it for $500, a $5 margin for a $500 investment might not be worth it. But again, it's for those that add the structure that are more effective with your time. So if you're not seeing value in anything right now, and again, this might resonate very well with you right now, but it's about that consistent factor, that it stays close to you. So understanding that moving forward, as you see that maybe the market is a little bit slow, or maybe as you see that, all the stocks that are in your watch list or that you're scanning for are not necessarily worth it or presenting the opportunity that you wish they did, then being able to step back, set your alerts, and then simply calling it a day. You can trade on demand and just practice your trading there. You can watch a couple videos, you can read a couple of books, you can, do well in other markets while you're waiting for that proper setup. And I think that's what's most important. It makes it a lot easier, right, to be able to take advantage of those opportunities that are actually worth it when you're so much more laid back. And that's the whole premise of this video. I just wanted to share why, or 3 reasons why I think that trading less can actually help you profit more, because the more selective that you can become. And again, this is 100% my opinion based off my experience, and feel free to share your experience when it comes down to either over trading, if you think that over trading does end up having a negative effect on your overall growth, or if you think that over trading has acted as a positive catalyst. I mean, I'd love to hear both sides, so feel free to share that in the comment section. So I want to thank you guys again so much for your time. All the links are down below to stay connected. The first one is for our free Facebook group, and the second one is for being able to watch me trade live every single day if you would like to work with me on a closer basis. I hope I earned your thumbs up. Hope you guys have an absolute amazing rest of your Monday. Like always, continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be a drive to your success. Be selective with what you choose to trade and invest in. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy.